start with, the flavor of the season, and that's elections, right? Concerns a lot of people, and people keep on, at this point, are thinking that, oh my God, there's a setback for a particular party in this recent election, there's a bigger one coming up, what's going to happen with the markets, what's going to happen to my investments? Now, you've advised people through many such cycles over a period of time. Should one worry about events like elections when you are an investor, especially for the long term?
So, if you look at long term, I don't think people have to worry about elections or people have to worry about any events, and the events could happen at any point of time. We've seen in the last at least 2 decades, there have been events which is apart from an event like an election, but there could be a bomb blast or there could be some terrorist attack and the markets go down. But those are all events, and those events don't impact. The events impact in a shorter period of time, but over a longer period of time, if you have a goal of achieving a certain amount of money to create wealth over a period of time, I think these should not bother you much. We've seen elections for the last, 5-6 decades, and I think each election has different stories of markets moving up and moving down. At the end of it, economy has done well and the markets have only moved up.
But when you have noise of this kind around an event, do you start getting a lot more calls from your clients worrying about what's happening, or do you think there's a change now in attitude where people tend to ignore these events?
So Vivek, my experience has been if a customer has been invested for the last 10-15 years, he's not so much worried about it because he has seen 3 elections and he has seen his portfolio grow. Yes, the newer generations and the new clients who have come in the last 2 years, 3 years obviously have apprehensions, but the moment you start hand-holding them and explaining it to them, I think it's the reassurance they need, saying that if everything is fine or not. So it's a constant process that you have to keep on talking to them to reassure them, saying that what happened in the past and what is expected of. At the end of it, what are markets? Markets are basically slaves of earnings, right?
Yeah.
So at the end of it, if you have earnings on companies, I think your markets will do well. These events do have a blip on the chart, but I think it moves on. And in the longer term, I think you are able to achieve your goal. And it's also about expectation of return. What is that you are expecting out of your investment as a return?
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.